In this video, you will learn 3 options for viewing feedbacks on assignments on Brightspace. The first option is to check the feedback through Grades tab on the navigation bar. If an assignment is listed as a graded item, then we should be able to see our grade and feedback for the assignment in the Grades tab of the navigation bar. We should find the assignment that is at our interest and see the overall feedback to check the overall feedback left by the instructor. If the instructor left inline feedback, we could check it by clicking View Inline Feedback to view the inline feedback. We can also access the feedback from the Assignments tab of the navigation bar. Please note that an instructor must have enabled the Assignments tab in the navigation bar for this option. Once we locate a specific assignment, we can see a link to our feedback under Evaluation Status column. After we click on the link, we will be able to see the overall feedback here. If the instructor left any inline feedback, we can scroll down and click on View Inline Feedback to view the inline feedback. The third option is to check the feedback through Class Progress tool on the navigation bar. Please note that an instructor must have enabled this in the navigation bar in order for students to access feedback using this option. In Class Progress tool, we should select Assignments on the list of items to the left of the screen. After we locate the assignment we wish to view, we should click on Details. Under Details, we would be able to check the overall feedback left by the instructor. If the instructor left any inline feedback, we can scroll down and click on View Inline Feedback to view the inline feedback. Thank you for watching.